Root Healthy Plants here. I've definitely been getting a lot of good discounts on some B grade, some not so sightly trees and shrubs and plants that we are definitely going to rehab and bring back to full life, full vibrance. Just bought a new load of trees here. Let's see what we got. What we get today? We got sweet bay magnolia. We got some laurels. This thing is heavy. Want to see what it looks like? You put a barrier in the front. Privacy fence. If I would have bought these things at full price, I'd probably be well over $1,000, easy. So got a nice amount on there. Now this is in burlap, but this is a green giant too. These are the laurels. It's work, put in work. We still got more. It ain't over yet. Look like we running a nursery over here, don't we? I gotta go drop this magnolia off. Shimmy, shimmy. We got that magnolia, and then we got this big magnolia right here. All right, either we're gonna marry them together, or that little one's getting swapped out and moved to a different place. But this big one has to go in this front yard, centerpiece. All right, that's work. Got one more green giant. All right, look, we got some really good discounts on trees. And look, right here, can you see, if you can see how this is broken off at the top, and this is the reason why I'm getting this at a discounted rate, because the top broke off and they can no longer sell it at full price. So little things like that are the reason why I got a bunch of these for a super good price, a really good discount. And this looks like a forest in the front yard. You know, there's rows and rows and rows of everything, and we got a really good deal on all of these. So we got green giant, we got Leylandi, cypress, we got sweet bay magnolia, we got skip laurels. So we got so much, and we got so much more to come. We are going to take footage of us beautifying the landscape, so stay tuned. If you got questions, put in the comment section. You know, you got comments, put in the comment section. Please like and thumb up the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Root Healthy Plants.